Hello guys, my name is Master Piggy and I'm gonna play Minecraft. And so, uh, just say that if you like this, if you like this, just say it to me. Then if you don't, then I'm not gonna keep this running again. So yeah, I've played this world. As you see, I have a leather boots and sorry guys for not having any mods. So yeah, let's explore. Explore. And sorry for the lag, cause look at my superpower power sensitivity, sound, music, and look. Yeah, 64-bit. So that's my normal is just like 32, I think. Yeah, 32. So sorry for that guys for lagging. And look, this memories when wow, sorry. Okay, now let's start art. We'll go first mining, of course. Zombie flesh. Okay, crafting table. Again, sorry guys for the lag. And yeah, that's so good. I don't have any sticks. And then cobblestone, this, and guys, I have a cheat. Sorry for cheating, cause yeah. Then do this and that. Okay, come on. So yeah, destroy. Sorry for this. Just one cheat for you guys. So see well. I think you don't see well again. Yes, can't you see? You can't see well. I think so. I will do is uh set toggle down wall so you can see more better. Okay, that's gonna in overtime. So please bear with me. I'm gonna say many Tagalog words because Filipino words. I'm so sorry for that. I just said it. So count that in the comment below. 1. I'm going on a cave. Cave. Going on a cave. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Killing the ship. I don't know why, cause I cheated. Yeah. I need this. Give me that. Hey, who is that? Suck. And sorry for having no mods. So this is survival gameplay number 1. And next time I'll be doing this time and time. If you like it or not, you can smash comments and likes, smash the like button. And if you did see this video, please like, cause this is the first time and it's lagging and all of it, and just this is just a laptop and yeah, low type. So yeah. Come on. Hey, love me, yeah, love me. I think I saw a cave somewhere. Oh, it's in the thing. It's in the village. So sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh my. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Scared. No, for panicking. I'm crying. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. I am not ready. I'm so sorry for not being ready cause this sucks. Yeah. Hope you can see better. I do not know Gamma cause I'm just a noob in this world. And yeah, so yeah, you must have. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Okay, you wanna see some parkour? I'm gonna see. Do you want to see some parkour? I'm gonna do some, yeah, baby. Parkour for life! Oh, that's my first time. I'm so good. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Yes, iron. Oh no, no, no! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just light them up already. So I'm not being scared or something. I'm not. Yeah. Oh, oh no! I think I did fall in their place. If someone jump scaring me, I'm gonna kill them, pro style. Even if I'm not a noob, I'm a noob, newbie baby. Oh, oh gosh, I think I saw a zombie. I think I saw a zombie, guys. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm panicking. Oh mama. Oh mama. Oh. Okay. I'm so scared because this is the first time I play this. I'm just kidding. It's not. Okay. Sorry guys for being scared. Yeah. No, my voice to the back. Sorry for being blackout. Sorry for speaking Filipino, guys. So I'm a Filipino, not in English. And I cannot go to Minecon. And I know no one's gonna like me because I suck. That's true. That's true. Okay, I don't care. Wait. Okay. Come on. Flower. Hello, flower. Little baby flower. My flower. Where's my flower? Oh gosh. Come on. Run like a pig. Run like a pig. Something is missing. Oh no, I'm so scared. Still zombies. Zombies? Oh, yeah. Yeah, zombies. There's no villagers in here. I think they died. Or they did fall, I think. Yeah. They did fall, so yeah, sad for them. No. Wait. Jump! Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. Okay, oh gosh, I'm so panicked. Using wood, guys. Oh god, no, please, no. I'm so scared. Parkour. I suck at that though. Oh my. So this is just exploring and things, don't mind me and eating this thing and yeah. Well, next time, guys. Oh gosh, don't do that. Okay. Shift. Okay. Next time, guys, I will do this. This is just like exploration and things. So yeah. just I said, exploration ending. So then I killed this pig, and wait, come on. Oh gosh, it's turning into night. No, man, I don't know. Where's my? Oh gosh, where's my house? It's in there. Oh my gosh. Come on, sprint powers, Come on, come on, man. I created you, man. Come on. Where's my house, man? Where's my house? What the? I think it deleted my house. Oh gosh, where? Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no, my house. My house is gone. It's gone forever. Okay, guys. I know my house is in here, but it's not right now. So, okay, guys. Next time I'll see my house for like things. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. Okay, guys. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow. I mean, next time. So, goodbye.